LT35 hydraulic blade change. I think I've done one, and I know 100 other people have done them, and they're really simple. And I'll be right in the way of the camera the whole time, so you won't learn a damn thing from me, but we'll do it anyway. Release the tension, adjust the tensioner here. We want to go out. I don't ever know which way's out. That's probably in, right? Nope, that's getting tighter. So, and that's moving this in, hopefully. So the belt will be loose enough to get off, hopefully. Oh crap, all over the wood. Put my damn glove back on. Belt's loose. Pull it out the top, pull it out the bottom. That's all there is to it. I think, ooh, that belt's not looking good. So, I think wood-mizer says rotate these belts every 25 hours or something. To rotate it from this side to that side. But I'm going to do it. I do it every time. Every time I change a blade. Clean off the belt. So you get some dirt on it. Not much. Make sure this groove in here, you can't see it, but you make sure that groove right in there is clear. Doesn't have any sawdust caked up in it. This one over here is not the dry belt, so it's not, sawdust isn't flying this way, so usually doesn't get in there. This one can get some in it. So take this belt off. Just hangs loose. I'll put this belt over here, and then I'll put this belt on over here. Supposedly they're supposed to wear this more evenly that way. And like I said, the book says, I think every 25 hours. And you want to clean them up every time. Oh, I forgot to clean that groove. You want to clean them up every time anyway, or every couple times anyway. So when you take it off to clean it off, especially if you're running pine, just change the belt. Simple. Clean this one off. This one doesn't have anything on it. Nothing. Very little. Very little on it. Run it there. You can run it there. Just any edge you got. I've run it on the door before. Any straight edge, it comes right all that tar, junk, crap, wood, mud, sawdust, ice. Well, there won't be any ice on there. It's probably hot enough to keep that off. Whatever's on there to come off. Scrape, little bitty scrape. Alright, let me go get another blade and put it back on. Alright, let's put the new one back on. I don't know if bottom in, both sides. Pull the top in. Drive side on. And then come over here and work this side on. This is what you're looking at, but it's almost on. So I'll just slip the top back. Oh, there you can see my yellow marks. I sharpened it. So this blade's been, it's supposed to ride, right about there. Hopefully it'll find its own. But it's on straight all the way around. And then I'll start it up, run it for 2 seconds, see if it finds a place to run properly, or if it comes off, and then we'll be good to go. So now we have to turn this the other way. I don't remember which way I was turning it. I never do. I think up. Yeah, up is tightened. Now we want that. I've never got close up to this, really. But we want the head of that bolt right on that orange washer right there. It won't be there the first time. Nope, not tight. No, see, it's just not quite. It's close. Not quite there. Man, that's close. That's close. This didn't feel tight enough. It didn't. Don't like it either. Just a little bit. So we'll just crank it up just a little bit. That felt good. And there we are, right on the orange washer or whatever. Everything's bowed out. Now we'll start it up, see if the belt flies off or it stays on the track.